Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kingkouture, and I am back with another video. So, in today's video, I'm coming straight to you all live and in color with the brand new James Charles palette. Like, look at all of this beauty. Like, if you're not excited to get this palette before it sells out again, and again, and again, sis, you sleep. Wake up. But anyways, I got this from Ulta when I was in Atlanta for Thanksgiving, and I decided to wait till I get home to my studio to record. Like, I just felt like I could not. I took everything. I took my camera, I took my my stand for it, I took everything thinking I was gonna record, but I didn't record because I just wasn't comfortable. I'm so used to being at home in my studio. So here I am, finally with the James Charles palette by or from Morphe or whatnot, and we're just gonna see what just pops up. I don't know. I don't have no thought in mind of what I want to create. I'm just gonna go in and get excited with the colors. Isn't that what you're supposed to do? Artistry is just about off the dome, off the top, being a creator. I mean, yeah, let me stop rambling. I don't know. I'm just so excited to just get into this palette finally and to show you all what I have in store. Me and James Charles look so good together. We will definitely slay some pictures together. Is that a reach? Okay. Okay, so let me not ramble for too long. I'm just super excited to finally get my hands onto this bad boy and to be creating a look. So, let's just get straight into this video. But wait, I know you didn't think I was going to get straight into this video without telling you to hit that subscribe button, sis. Yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so every time I post a new video, you will get the notification. Other than that, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so opening this bad boy up. This is the palette here, and this is what it looks like. This is just so pretty. Like, oh, I got on black. Ow. Ooh, this is just so pretty. Like, ooh, I want to take some pictures. Hold on. Let me take some pictures with this. Because this is kind of cute. Just like a no color on my face. Just the base. That's it. I'm gonna take some pictures. But anyways, this is the palette here, and inside you get these 39, ouch. You get these 39 beautiful shades for $39, and I think that's just so sickening. The colors that stick out to me the most is this one here, this green shade, this blue shade, and this pink shade. I don't know if I remember the names. I think this one is Social Blade. This one is Skip, I think. And this one here, I think it's Playground or something like that. Those are like, no, this one is Playground, I think. So these three are the only ones that I know by heart. Everything else, I have no clue. So we have this little paper here, but I'm not gonna look at this. Might could just glue it right here or get a magnet or something and just, I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into this look. I don't know what I'm about to do once again, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and play some music in the background, speed this video up, and I don't know. Let's just see what she's giving. I'll come back at the end and let y'all know my final thoughts and what I feel. And if there's any trouble with blending or whatever, I'm gonna add that into the video as well. So don't think you're just gonna get a fast video straight through, no issues, no nothing. No, I'm just gonna let those issues show, and yes, sis, I'll let you know what I think at the end. So just sit back, relax, and let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look here, and I am definitely loving this look. Don't you like it too? Oh my gosh, like, I am so freaking amazed as to how cute this look is. Like, when James said unleash your inner artist, I feel like this palette caused me to unleash my inner artist. Like, this, oh my gosh. I would honestly have to say that just using it this one time, this is like the best palette that I've ever used. It's one of them, but this is literally like the best palette that I've ever used, because I've never seen like a yellow, a green, or even a pink, especially a green and a yellow. Like, green and yellow always like fade on me, and I feel like these two colors perform. Look at the green. Look at the green. It's like neon. It's like it almost looks like it's glowing, and I love that. Like, I've never been able to use a yellow and a green and it just still be on my lids. And let alone like this pink, the red, everything in this palette is just, I haven't used all the colors yet, but the colors that I use on today's look, amazing. Bomb.com. Okay, James, you came through. Like, I don't know what else to say. I'm just super excited. Like, this look is everything. I would definitely recommend that if you're watching this video, go pick up this palette before, you know, it just sell out again. Like, just go pick it up and unleash your inner artist. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, because I truly enjoyed unleashing my inner artist. If you did, please drop down in the comment section below to let me know what you all think. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so every time I post a new video, you will get the notification. Other than that, catch you all in my next video.